Feeling nervous in social situations? You're not alone. Maybe you're at a coffee shop, trying to order your drink while noticing everyone around you seems to be staring. Or maybe it's a work meeting, palms sweaty, heart racing, praying you don't say the wrong thing. It feels like you're performing, right? Like you're wearing a mask, just to fit in. But what if I told you that real confidence doesn't come from pretending? That you can actually feel it inside and out. Today, we're going to uncover how. First, let's acknowledge something important. Feeling awkward, nervous, self-conscious is normal. Whether it's your first day at college, your first big presentation at work, or even chatting with new neighbors at a baseball game, everyone experiences this. The truth is, even people who seem confident are human. They feel nervous too. The difference? They've learned how to step out of that fear without faking it. This video isn't about faking a smile or forcing a confident pose. It's about building genuine confidence. Confidence that grows from the inside, not just what people see on the outside. By the end, you'll have practical, research-backed steps to stop performing and start feeling secure in social situations. Here's what we'll cover in this video. Understanding why we get stuck in social anxiety, including the infamous spotlight effect, that feeling that everyone is watching your every move, and imposter syndrome. Practical strategies to anchor yourself, like small wins, preparation, mindfulness, and shifting your focus from "what if they judge me" to genuine curiosity about others. How to step out authentically in any situation, from a family dinner to your daily commute, and build real connections without pretending. And finally, how to create a confident future where you act with courage even when nerves show up. So, grab a notebook or just pay close attention. You're about to take the first steps toward authentic confidence. Now that we've acknowledged the struggle, let's dive deeper into why social anxiety happens. Understanding the roots is the first step to breaking free. Have you ever felt like everyone at the coffee shop notices the tiny mistake you made while ordering? Or that your coworkers are silently judging every word you say in a meeting? That's called the spotlight effect. Our brain exaggerates how much attention others pay to us. And when you pair that with imposter syndrome, thinking you're not good enough, it's a perfect storm for anxiety. The truth is, most people are focused on their own lives, not analyzing your every move. Next, let's figure out your triggers. Are you nervous in public speaking situations, networking events, or one-on-one conversations? Maybe it's talking to your crush at a baseball game, or asking a question during a team meeting. Pinpointing these specific moments helps us know where to start. Keep a small journal and write down when you feel that nervous energy. Over time, patterns will emerge. Most social anxiety comes from fear of judgment. Maybe past experiences, like being embarrassed at a school presentation, or saying the wrong thing at a family dinner, are creating a mental loop. Your brain remembers the discomfort and tries to protect you by avoiding similar situations. But here's the catch. Avoidance strengthens the fear. The more we hide, the more the anxiety grows. Once we understand why we feel this way, why our minds trick us into thinking everyone's watching, we can start dismantling those mental blocks. In the next section, we'll explore practical steps to anchor yourself so you can build confidence from the inside out, even in those nerve-wracking moments.
Now that we understand why social anxiety holds us back, it's time to build your inner anchor. Practical tools to feel confident in real situations, from coffee shop chats to office meetings. Confidence doesn't mean you have to be perfect. It starts with small preparation. For example, if you're going to a networking event, think of a couple of conversation starters like, "What brought you to this event?" Or, "Have you tried that new taco place downtown?" Just a little prep reduces anxiety and helps you focus on connecting, not performing. Next, stay present. When your mind races during a conversation, try a simple 4-7-8 breathing exercise. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Picture yourself standing tall, smiling naturally, maybe during a commute, on the subway, or while ordering coffee. Mindfulness helps calm your nervous system and keeps you grounded. Instead of thinking, "What if they don't like me?" shift your focus to curiosity. What can I learn about this person? Maybe it's a barista who makes the best latte, or a coworker you barely know. Asking genuine questions and listening actively takes the spotlight off your own insecurities. Celebrate tiny steps forward. Did you say hi to someone new at a baseball game? Or contribute one idea in a team meeting? That's a win. Each small success triggers your brain's reward system, building momentum. Keep a checklist of these micro wins to see your progress over time. These techniques anchor you in the moment, but true confidence comes from consistently challenging assumptions and embracing authenticity. In the next section, we'll explore how to step out genuinely and connect with others without faking it. Now that you've anchored your inner confidence, let's talk about stepping out authentically. Real confidence isn't about performing, it's about connecting. Sharing small, genuine parts of yourself encourages others to do the same. Think about a family dinner. Telling a funny, slightly embarrassing story about your day can create laughter and closeness. Vulnerability isn't weakness. It's a bridge to connection. Instead of worrying about what you'll say next, truly listen. At a coffee shop, for instance, if a friend talks about their commute frustrations, respond with curiosity. "Wow, that sounds stressful. How do you manage it?" This reduces pressure on you and builds rapport naturally. Most people are focused on themselves, not judging you. At a baseball game, notice how everyone's attention is on the game, not on you tripping over your words. Realizing this eases self-consciousness and frees you to engage authentically. Awkward silence isn't as scary as we imagine. During a commute or waiting in line, a brief pause in conversation gives space for reflection and often leads to deeper, more meaningful dialogue. Embrace it. Use all your tools together: preparation, mindfulness, curiosity, vulnerability. Imagine you're at a networking event. You've prepped a few questions. You're present, listening actively, and sharing authentic stories. Each small action reinforces your inner anchor and builds genuine confidence. By consistently applying these steps, not only do you reduce social anxiety, but you also start changing how you see yourself. Next, we'll explore your confident future and how to live without the mask. Now, it's time to take everything we've learned and imagine your confident future. This isn't about pretending. It's about living authentically every day. Remember the journey. Understand your triggers and why social anxiety happens,
Build your inner anchor with preparation, mindfulness, and small wins. Step out authentically, embracing vulnerability, listening actively, and shifting your focus outward. These steps, combined, create real and lasting confidence. Confidence in one area spills over into others. At work, you'll speak up in meetings. At a family dinner, you'll share your thoughts comfortably. At a coffee shop or baseball game, you'll engage naturally. Real confidence transforms your interactions and your life. Here's a challenge. Pick one specific strategy from this video. Maybe practicing active listening in your next conversation, or taking a small step outside your comfort zone this week. Try it. Notice how it feels, and share your experience in the comments. Action precedes feeling. This is your path forward. True confidence isn't about being fearless. It's about acting with courage, even when you're nervous, and realizing you're enough as you are. Every step you take, no matter how small, builds momentum and strengthens your authentic self. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more practical strategies to grow real confidence. Share it with someone who needs it, and start practicing today. Your journey to authentic confidence starts now.